Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, June 5th, and we're going to follow up on yesterday's setup, and that was Meta. We were looking for a breakout in Meta. Like I said, I was already long. I held on to that. This is what these calls were at earlier this morning. Now, I took these off already. However, I also added to my position when we broke out, and now I'm looking for this to break out here on the 5-minute. Push back up above 490. So let's talk about next targets here for Meta. The next thing we're looking for is a push up to 493.50 to fill the gap. If you're in the trading room, you know we were taking profits right at 490. Played out really well earlier this morning. Once we get through 493.50, we're going to look at 495, and then really the stretch goal here is 500. Now, if we can get 500, and as long as broad market strength continues, which it's looking like it is, I'm swinging long yes now. We should be in good shape for a push all the way up to like 508 to 510 area where these previous pivot highs were. But we did break out this consolidation. Remember, this is coming all the way off of the original position here. We keep trading around a core, essentially. This run stops down at the very bottom where we broke through the lows, immediately reversed on heavy volume, and that sent us higher. So now we're looking for more upside here. I would like to see this hold. The only thing that would change this is if we come down and break back down below really like 481, 480. If we can't hold 480, then we look for it to turn back around and come back down. But for now, it's looking bullish. Like I said, I'm still in this long right now, looking for more upside. I took off the full position earlier today up at 490, and then bought the dip and bought the dip again, and letting those run for the time being. So we'll keep an eye on it, see where they end up going. Now, a setup that's similar to this, where we broke through the support, immediately reversed and closed up, that's happening right now is Tesla. Now it's about 2:30 when I'm recording this, a little bit before 2:30, 2:20. And what we're looking at here in Tesla is we had all the support down here. Tesla broke through all the support today, ran right back up, and immediately got bought back up. So if we could close up around 76 or better today, that'd give us a nice hammer and suggest we start to push higher, back up towards the 180 test. And then if we can get through 180, we're looking at these pivot highs here at 181. And really, we're going to want to pay attention to two things. This trend line coming down across all our highs. And then also, let me get rid of this because this is no longer valid. We'll also want to watch these pivot highs coming across here from this high back there in early May and the other one in late May. That's up at 87.50 or so. Once we're through there, then we're looking at a push all the way back up to like the 200 area to revisit the highs. But it all starts with a potential, what we call around the stops today, and that would be when you see a close up above 76. At a minimum, I want to see a close above 75. But that's it for today. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nice job for those of you who took the Meta long, which it's actually starting to break through that 5-minute trend line as we speak. So we want to see this start to pick up some speed here and get back above 489. But that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.